What if technology could truly understand and serve us? What if our experience of the world became visible in new ways? What if every customer journey could finally be measured with clarity? What if hidden value could be fully realized? What if moving through places felt meaningful again? What if spaces around us felt deeper, closer, alive? What if every visitor was truly seen? What if places could speak back? What if businesses embraced the future through simplicity? What if more people could find you naturally? What if intelligence reduced mistakes and improved decisions? What if the world felt completely connected? Go is an AI system. It connects people to places so they can communicate and fully understand the experience around them. Go is now in waiting list. Join the waiting list on https://www.shuata.cany.cn.